What's up guys, Cliff from the Sunday Drive, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove the tailgate handle on your 2014 or newer Chevy Silverado. So welcome back to the channel guys. We are working on my 2014 Silverado. We're getting ready to wrap the truck, so we're doing some disassembly in preparation for that. If you guys are interested in having a vehicle wrapped, definitely hit us up down in the comments or shoot us a message. But today we are going to be removing the trunk handle. Now, if you need to know how to remove your tailgate, we have a video that shows how to do that, and I'll have that linked above as well as in the description. It is not necessary to remove the tailgate to remove this handle, but we wanted the tailgate off for wrapping, so we're going to shoot the tailgate handle removal while it's already off of the truck. So let's get started. Now, if you have a backup camera, make sure that you unplug this underneath the bed of the truck, and in the tailgate removal video we do show how to do that, but don't go yanking your tailgate off and forget to have that unplugged if you do have a backup camera. There is a cover plate on the inside of the tailgate. My tailgate has Line-X on it, but it's held in by a whole bunch of T25 Torx screws. I'm gonna remove those. If you do have a factory plastic cover or bed liner, it might have a cover that's on this part of your tailgate, so you will need to remove that if that is on there. And then this will lift off. Now you need to release the mechanism that would unlatch your tailgate, and there's a white and blue retainer clip. So you're going to twist this to the side like so, and this will lift up and out. So that's free. And we're going to do the same over here. Try not to block the camera. Push that to the side and lift out, and over to the side. And this is captive, so you won't lose that. And now we have two 10mm bolts to remove. It won't fall out of here, or at least it shouldn't, because there's still a couple clips we're going to have to release. All right, so now we're going to release these two clips at the bottom. There's one right here, so you're going to push in and then push down. So I'm pulling back towards me to release the clip and then pushing down. All right, and then there's one in the same spot on the other side right here. All right, and now your handle is free. Going to work that out, and then it's going to pull your backup camera wire through as well. And there you have it, the latch is removed from your tailgate. So that's it guys, that's how you remove the factory handle from your truck's tailgate. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you're interested in having us wrap your vehicle, definitely let us know and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back in the next video.